how to build a custom website without knowing coding and without using WordPress. Now, the default for most DIY website builders tends to be WordPress. The reason for this is that people can get started quickly without knowing any particular kind of coding. However, WordPress can offer too many options and features at times, and this makes it overwhelming to decide whether one wants to work with their particular theme or plugin. Now, there's a cloud-based system for building a custom site without knowing any coding. The platform is called Wix. Now, the Wix platform allows anyone to build a site free of charge to determine if it's a platform worth their time to work with. It has applications to customize the function. It has elements to customize the look. The platform allows for agencies to use features to hold more than one site account in their parent account to work with. This, along with the affiliate program, makes it attractive for people to build sites for themselves as well as others. However, the platform is entirely different from WordPress. The Wix is entirely cloud-based, even though one can customize the platform for their domain. Wix provides customizable templates that don't require any custom coding. Wix allows for uploads, as does WordPress, but any of these uploads can be fully customizable. In order to get the most from Wix, with the ease of working with WordPress, you'll want to make sure you understand the elements inside. Now, there's a video course that will walk you through these elements. If you'd like to find out more about them, check out the link you see on your screen.